All right, guys, just wanted to bring you another build here. Just wrapped this one up. 2021 2500 HD AT4. We did a 5-inch BDS, 2212 fuel sabers on 35-inch Toyo AT3s. Yep, AT3s on the AT4. Goes together well, right? Super nice truck. Real good customer. We've done several builds for this guy. Always does really nice stuff. We got the Fox shocks. It's a non-torsion drop, so you can see where the mounts here to raise the bar and keep it in the factory location so it's not hanging down under the truck. We also did a nice set of amp power steps. Show you a little bit more on the wheels. Very, very nice looking. This is a newer style, just came out a few months ago. It's actually the first one of this wheel that I've done. You can see this kit's got pretty much flat angles. Clear 35 is pretty easy. We'll also clear at 37. We've done both on this setup. If you're running a wider wheel, like a 12 wide, 35s would be what I'd go with. Had to do a little bit of trimming here on your inner plastics. And then the mud guard, we always have to trim. They get into everything. But everything clears, and we have done the same setup with a 37, but we do it with a 10 wide wheel on the 5-inch lift. We could do a 12 wide with 37 if we go up to the BDS 6.5 inch. Show you the power step in action here. Of course, they light up so you can see the step at night. I've got these on my personal truck as well. They're very nice. All right, guys, that's it for now.